So what happened? Here's the rejection. This is the rejection. See that wick? So let's see if that's. Oh, look at that. We're back down. This is just. So we'll see what happens here. If this is going to continue coming down, I might have put a pending order down here, right at this below the fair value gap. See right here.
Order submitted.
So what happened here? See this candle here? That's a rejection to the downside. So now I wanted to see if this will continue, which it did. It got rejected here. Now we'll see the close of this candle. If it will try to get back down here like it's doing right now. So you got like over 25 minutes left, but let's see. Or is this going to be a rejection wick? It may try to test this border down here or this low down here. You can see we're still below the mid, right? The mid session. Right now, the way the wrinkles are looking up, it's to the downside, but it's just sticking to that mid band. There's the move. I should have just gotten in that one. Let me see what's going to come back here. Yep, comes back.
So does Joey usually wait till the after the hour range?
Yeah, right.
Order filled.
Yep. Oh wait, how would I get this? Now, most likely, I'll have this at the bottom, and if it does break that, then that's fine. But I'll have it right here. So, like I said, this was a rejection from the top here. So just continue going down. Let's see if it's going to get to this border here at least. Then if that's the case, then I might order, place in another order. Or not just playing around. My stop would probably be up here somewhere.
Stop filled.
You got me. Okay, that's fine. Let's try and raise it up here. This one, I'm looking at this.
Order submitted.
Look at the wrinkles. It's actually
Order
to
filled.
the downside anyways. Another re-enter. So I'm keeping my eye on the wrinkles, right? So if it makes a change in direction, then I'll just take that. So I'm going to take this all the way down to the border there. Because it may bounce off that border. on 1010, or it may continue making it another low. But I'll just leave it there just in case. Get back up here. So I'm gonna put a now I'm looking at the wrinkles just in case I comes back, at least I still in profit. Man, it just jumped off on that fair value high,
Stop filled.
right? The fair value gap right here. It just bounced off on that. It barely I missed that target by 2 ticks. Well, at least I got some loss back. So now you can see it got rejected here at the bottom. Now let's see if we're gonna try to get back down. Most likely that's what it looks like, because if you're looking at your wrinkles, it's basically a pullback to the mid band. So it's gonna, which I should have taken. So I'm gonna test this bottom again. Do you have a double bottom there now? I know you're looking at the wrinkles. You got 15, more than 15, well, 17 minutes left. So it may just play around here at the bottom here, go up, go down. So let's see. Or it will create another low. I got too late. I didn't enter that trade. Yep, there it hit that thing. So I would have, if I stayed in it longer, I would have gotten that profit target there, right at the bottom there. That would have been at a $400 trade. So now it's bouncing up. We'll create another low here. Let's see. Oh, they're bouncing off that thing again.
Order filled. Target filled.
Take that scalp. I'm not 248, which is fine. So they're creating that low again, so I should have just taken that all down. Man, that would have been a good trade. You see how they bounced off that the mid band there? So it's going basically down to the S1 here. I should base my levels here. I forgot to put my levels here. Indicators. My pivot. Still very good. Fib.
a crazy move.
Yeah. They just created another low right at the where? Right at that S1. So now we're not done with the hour yet. So they just brought another low here, all the way down to the -3 deviation. This is about to get rejected. Got right down to the pivot. Man, I could have just taken that trade. That was a great trade. So that was yeah, all the way down to the bottom there. So we got here, right? We got right there. Taking this all the way down there. $227 trade per contract. That just made that move right there. Okay, we got around 14 minutes left. 13 minutes left. So it's going to be creating these lows. Let it create the lows. So really, like I said in my video, this is where you act. You can you enter this trade. Just wait. Came back down. It got rejected here in the top. That's why it's continuing going down. It's just creating a new low here now. And that was really set up right here on the Renkos. It was at the mid band. That's where you could have gotten it right here, or even here. Took that all the way down. I just happened to just scalp it because I don't know. I should just let it go and run. So they've got now the low, the IBL down there. You see where the mid is, and with this pattern right here, it's basically getting rejected here, but most likely it's going to continue coming down. Let's see if it's going to pull back here, maybe a little, then come back down. We have what? How many minutes left? We got 11 minutes.
That is one big 1 hour range.
Yeah. So with the -3 deviation, they have to get back, bring this back up to at least the VWAP, or at least to the -1 deviation. So there we got a fair value gap to the downside there. You can see they maybe work that up all the way up to that fair value, that gap, and bring it down at least maybe up to here. Let's see. They hit the support, the pivot right here. Make it another low here. Let's see. Let's see. They bring it down to the S2. We still got 10 minutes. So what we see in the Renkos there, it's still going to the downside. We don't really see. Yeah, we do have some going up, but it's really, you see where the yellow line is, it's really just hugging that mid band. So it can go either way. 20 minutes out, 9 minutes. They'll be playing around with this, trying to determine they're gonna break this low or they're gonna create another one. Minutes left. See, they're going to the outer band there on the Renkos. So they might bring it down from there. So let's see. They got around 7 minutes left. See, look at that. They're bringing it up to the fair value gap. Getting rejected by the fair value gap. If they're gonna bring it past, it'll probably be right here at the middle. Yeah, this rejection right here. So then I bring it up here and then get rejected and come back down. Let's see. I'm looking at my wrinkles going to the other side now. Let's see, once it's off that mid band. Six minutes left. So if I'm gonna have 6 minutes here, I want to put a pending order here on this bottom down here just in case there's a breakout. But they might create another low here and then bring it back up. That's what I'm afraid of. So let's see. I'm looking at our Renko chart there. They're bouncing off the mid band. Let's see if they can try to test that high again up here. I'm not going to take any buys there because we're going against the trend. You can see where the trend is, right? Obviously, it's going to the downside. Five minutes left. You can see they're just hovering around there. Most of the downside there. You see how the wrinkles are setting up? Let me create another downside here, the signal to the downside. Creating a higher, lower high, right? And also a lower low. So maybe I'll put it down here.
Order submitted.
So we went back up. Our signal is still to the upside here, right? Because the yellow moving average is still above that bar. But we have a what, lower high, lower low. It's gonna test this up here. Let's see. 3 minutes.
Order submitted.
This one created a lower low. Okay, they broke that. So let's see what happens here. But the major one is still up here. This one, the teal. So let's see if they break that or not. Okay, so 2 minutes left. Here's our bottom right there. So we're basically getting a rejection here. Now let's see if this is gonna go up now. Since we're still on the yellow moving average, it's still above the mid band. And what did they create here? They created a double top right here. See this? So the entry would be here to go down. Okay, got 2 minutes left. Oh, barely made a lower low there. So now we got a signal down now.
Order filled.
There's my fill. I want to think to print out the 1.5 extensions. I want to see where that is. Now I'm gonna make this go up here. Hasn't filled my other scale in. Because it hasn't hit that. Oh, it did get down there. Weird. I want to see where that one extensions are being printed. There's the extension. There's 1.25 right here. Let's do that there because it's right at the S2 pivot.
Target
There we
filled.
go.
Order canceled.
What happened there? Oh, that get canceled. What happened there? That was weird. How'd that get canceled? I don't know how that got canceled. tell you the truth. So here we're going down. I'm just watching my on my Keltners here.
Order submitted.
I have no idea how that get canceled. What is this? 48. Yeah, that's right.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I mean, be looking at the 1.5 target. There's a reversal bar.
Order filled.
There we go. It's 1.5. I'll get down here to maybe right there. It's going to be going up. Let me see. It's going to be going up to that mid band.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's see what it does here at the pivot here. But my target is usually the 1.5. Let's see what happens here at 1.25. That's where we have the pivot. So I might have to move that up just in case. Back to the mid band. No, don't tell me to bring it up. I should have this up there.
Stop filled.
Oh man. It's okay. This is a 50K. So they're testing that bridge there, so they'll probably bring this back down. That pull back into that thing, so
Order submitted.
into that right here.
Order filled.
There we go, bring it down. You just pull back to this right here.
Hey Dom, how's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
There it is.
Order submitted.
So there's your 1.25 extension. Here's your 1.5 down here. Let's see if they increase the momentum coming down. Let's see if they do that. Right now it's really doing nothing. They didn't even reach the 1.25 yet. Usually they reach the 1.25 at a minimum.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see if they can do that 1.25. Bring it back to the mid band again. Wow, this is just. So they're hitting that 1.25. Let's see if they can get down to the, where I have it there, the fair value gap. Just playing around that 1.25. See if they can get the mid band and bring it down. Let's see.
stop filled.
Okay, I'll take that. This will test that 1.5 right down here. Just bouncing off this fair value gap.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Just needs to break this fair value gap. If I get another 200, 300 here, I'm happy. That's so erratic. Just went up and down here. So I'm trying to get back into that mid band again. Oh. is just trying to do, doesn't wanna. Okay, gets it at 200, I'm gonna close it out. No, it's just going, it's just ranging now. Let me do this. We can get down to 200. I'll take it. So being erratic. Maybe 300. Let's go. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna try to get back up here. One more chance, one more try. One more push, one more push.
Hey, coach.
Yeah,
Sish.
yeah, what's up?
Hey, just saying hi.
Oh. Trying to get this thing back down. If we can just go back down, I'd be
I
happy.
know
It's just really just,
Looks like did it bottom out? Seems like it's going sideways now.
yeah, I think it's bottoming them out.
Stop
And
filled.
just got my,
Yeah,
so it really just bottomed out there.
yeah.
So I'll just have to wait another one. I'm only up 37, which is better than me being down. But I just waited too long on that one. Getting higher lows, should have just settled with a 300 or 200. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here on this thing, you know. If it's gonna continue getting up here, test the low up here, and then come back down, but it hit the 125 and just bounced off in this fair value gap. That's what it was. It was such a big fair value gap. But here, they're gonna try to test it again. Just want to get a good entry here, but I want to see it go below. See, here we go down. I think they're really aggressive to get that as 1.5. But I want a good setup here. They hit the upper band coming down here. Let's see if they can test this again. Let's see, it's bounced to the S2 pivot. Let's try to test this fair value gap again. Let's see what they do there. So let's see what's happening here in the, I think I'm gonna bounce this off. There's your reversal. That's what they're doing.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Off to the races, coach.
Target filled.
Hello, Coach. Good morning. Ay, good evening pala.
Hello, Karen. How you doing?
Doing good, Coach.
Good. You're done trading?
Yes po.
Yeah.
I traded the morning session today. That's
Yeah.
why I'm here.
Okay.
The last days I was sleeping during this time. I'm just missing the afternoon session.
Yeah, the afternoon was actually doing pretty good.
Yes, coach. Opo. And also to avoid over trading.
Yeah. Well, here, let me see here. So you see where there's a possible rejection that's going on right here. So you have to wait for that 30-minute bar to close. Where it's going to close is going to be above that IB low, or will it be rejected? And if it gets rejected, then you may want to see this come down here, possibly test this 1.25 again, or even down here to 1.5. Because basically what it's doing, you see this big move down, it's just really what, pulling back and then coming back down. You want to see where this candle closes. You have what, still 18 minutes left. So you're looking at this, you can get this bouncing off the mid band, but I don't know if it's going to continue going up. Let's see what happens. So here's the order on the wrinkle right here. So it's retesting that. There, you could have gotten there. Maybe test up here again the high. Let me switch to a different account. I know this other account that I have here. I want to get back some of that. That was down here 700 too. Yeah, so that would have been a great trading going up here, going up. So this one, I want to trade this at 4, maybe 3. Since a 25K account. So yeah, that's a good trade coming off the mid band, bouncing off, testing that high. Anyone take that trade? No one?
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Oh, good, good.
I took it. I'm still holding it.
Okay, good. Yeah.
I took it from the bottom when it made that first
This
higher
one right
high.
here? Right here?
Yeah.
Down here? Yeah, right
I-
here.
I took it at
Oh, right here.
11:02 or 11.
Ah.
Yeah, 11:02.
Okay. 11:02.
11:02. 5:03. Something like that. That's what the marker shows.
Okay, so around here. Yeah, around here. Yeah, when it made that high.
Yep.
Yeah, this is going up. You can see here. So I'm just gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait for this candle close. Again, we have a fair value gap here to the downside. Still has to be tested. This one right here still has to be tested. It was produced by this, when it was going down. So it may get down here and then come back down. Let's see. But if you're still writing that, who's writing that? That's actually pretty good.
I'm still in it.
Good. Wow, the scalper's still in it?
Yeah.
How many minutes we have left there? We have 15 minutes, a little under 15 minutes. So let me get up to here. Here's your, see that the mid session right here. We get above that, then yeah, this will be going to test this high, which is up here. That's a good trade, right up here. I just want to see another pullback so I can get into the trade.
Yep, I'm trying to sit on my hands until I
Yeah.
see it too. But that's the hard part.
Yeah. Because right now, if you look at, those of you who have the VWAP, we're just getting into now the +1. We're basically getting to the chase line. Like I said, since we're way down to the -3, it's gonna get past maybe up to between +1 and +2 deviation. That's where they plan to bring it up. And that's where the high is of this right here. Because they got down to the -3 deviation, then most likely it's almost a rubber band effect. They'll bring it up to the plus, at least to the +1. Like I said, I might just wait for this candle to close. The 30-minute candle. As long as we don't close, here's the, here's the IB low. If somebody bounces off there, then I'm gonna take it because it's still above the IB low. Oh, there that
Target
broke
filled.
out. Oh, got that. Is that you, Stephanie?
Yeah, I just got out of it.
How much of
I
a trade?
passed an eval on that trade.
Yeah, nice.
I took it from S2 and just
Roll
held
it up.
it.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, Don, with this added value on this this IB, I gotta try to incorporate following up behind these because you get these long moves here,
Yeah.
not these little short ones.
And this is what, well, Joey was saying, you can just do one trade and you pass on an eval.
Exactly. Just get up behind it.
Yeah. Right now, I'm just being consistent with my PA. So already hit my PA goal for the 50K. I just had to work this one up. This is on 25K, but I have like a 1500 drawdown. So I have to be very selective in what I enter here. So here we're getting back to the pullback here. Again, we tested that. Again, it's bouncing off because of this fair value gap. You're gonna get to this, see this mid session. Yeah, you want to see that break. If it breaks above that, then we have a chance of just going right through this fair value gap. But it's never been tested, meaning it's gonna hit that, come back down, and then most likely come back up. But I'm looking at what's happening at what here. Because then again, this is the 30-minute. You don't see what's going on inside. This is what you're seeing inside. So here, you're bouncing off the yellow here. Yeah, so I'm trying. Let's see if it's gonna pull back to the mid band. Not, I'll just take this one going up.
Order submitted.
It's on the mid band. much time we have on this bar? Let's see here. Trying to think. 9 minutes still. Still a lot of time. So here
So
we're
I
gonna
marked up.
go ahead.
So I marked up my 8:30 to 9:30 range
Right.
as far as the open.
Yep.
And I just took those scalps and just held it to the open.
Mm,
Those look pretty good. I was looking at it through the past weeks, and those worked out pretty well.
mm.
You can see, even though today was a big range.
Yeah. But this one, like I said, this one was a good trade. Remember, you were in the room, right? When this one went down, I just took the minimum, but it just went all the way down. That you'd have been done with that trade. Right
Yes.
here.
Yeah.
Just-
I was just being patient with that range. I was just trying to test that out.
yeah. And like I was saying in the video, I made that video. What happens here? We had a rejection here in the top, came back down, and then just continued going down, making new lows. See this? I entered around here and I just got the minimum. But if that would have been a $300 per contract trade at least. Yeah. I think I got it right here. That'd have been a good 258 something. So here, what's happening here? Let's see if we get a rejection here. That's what I want to see. You want to see where this 30-minute bar is going to close. Will it close below? If it does, it may continue coming down. Because what happened? We got rejected here because of the fair value gap. That's why I want to see what's gonna.
Order canceled.
So now you look at the Renkos. What you have now, this one going down. We have the yellow moving average below the mid band. So this may pull back here and then continue coming down. And this may just close below here because you still have 5, 6 minutes, 7 minutes left. And this is maybe beginning with the rejection wick. Rejection because of that fair value gap. So here we're testing the mid band. I may just take this if I get a reversal bar because that's actually coming down. Let's see.
Order submitted.
You can get a reversal bar here. There it is. Moving too fast. Let me see if we can get my.
Order filled.
There you go. Yeah, there's only 3 contracts. Let's see if we can get down here. Let's see if we can get down to below that IB low. See, it breaks that S1. No, just bouncing off that deviation. Testing that that mid band again. I got in too late. I was chasing, I should have gotten here sooner. Right at the mid band. Yep,
Order
they
filled.
are bringing it up. So that's what they're doing. So they just didn't. So now it's gonna create this. Again, I'm gonna wait for this close of this 30-minute bar before I enter something. They created that. Now we get another. Now we have the yellow bar or the yellow line going above now. So you just have to see the pullback. Got 3 minutes left on that 30-minute bar. And if I'm going to enter that 30-minute bar, it's going to be usually at the top of this wick. If there's no longer wick, I'll just enter at the top, the highest point of the bar. Your target would be up here. Two and a half minutes left. Okay, one less than 1 minute. I'm waiting for a reversal bar on the wrinkles to take that trade.
Order submitted.
There it is. Just didn't get that. So we're starting
Order filled.
a new 30-minute bar here. So this is probably gonna start going up.
You got some quality A+ entries today. Quality. Off
Entries,
off the mid band, yeah.
yeah. I got a delay here, like 37 seconds. Yeah, there's no momentum right now. Is of that, what's going on? Fair value gap.
Order submitted. Order filled.
was a nice move.
Nice trade, coach. Wow.
I'm really starting to like these 30-minute candles.
Coach. Is he there? Or he's focused?
Yeah, yep.
Oh, I see that you have levels there. Are those fib levels?
Which one? These red ones here? No, those
Yeah.
are
What are those?
pivots.
Oh, those are pivots. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay. Okay.
You see, yeah, this is right now we're just passing the VWAP. So I'm gonna put this up maybe, let's see what happens at the pivot. We just
Okay.
passed, the pivot is around above, is a little above the VWAP. Once it gets past the 18,775, we're on our way up to at least the +1 at least.
Nice. Wow.
I said the high there is over by between the +1 and +2 deviation, which is just right because they brought this down all the way to the -3 deviation. So they're gonna work themselves up to the other end. I just want to see how they react up. So they just blow through this pivot point here, then you know it's gonna be, because that's where they're bouncing off right now, that pivot point.
Right. I see it. Yeah.
I just want to see them with a good strong momentum right past that.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Mhm.
Comes. They're gonna try to blow through that pivot point. Not quite yet. There, they broke it.
Mhm. Yep. Yeah. Nice.
Here comes the momentum now going back up.
Wow. Nice.
I got my loss back.
Awesome.
Just want to make a profit now, at least 300, 400. I'd be happy with that on a 25K PA.
Yeah. Do you still have your MyFunded, coach? You still trade them?
No, I'm with Buellnox. I have like 5 right now.
Oh, wow. Nice. So, would you use them again or no?
Who?
MyFunded.
Yeah, eventually.
Oh, okay.
I just don't like that daily stop loss. That's the thing that's bugging me sometimes.
Okay. Gotcha.
I talked to a guy who lives here in the Philippines. He got Buellnox. He said it takes a couple days to get your payment into the bank.
Bullnuts, nice.
Yeah.
Fucking move.
Where are we here? 900. Okay, good.
Wow. Nice. Sweet. Beautiful trade.
I have a 2-minute delay, so you guys might want to tell me where I'll bring this up to here. Where is that? Oh,
18788 right now.
okay, 187. Okay, thanks.
18790.
91, 92. Okay, good. My
Yeah.
dome is correct, but my chart is incorrect.
This move is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm in
Yeah.
it too.
Okay, good.
Oh,
Hey
wow,
Dom,
nice.
did you get a chance to try out that fib levels I sent you
Oh, you sent me? No, I haven't.
in the in our chat in the
Okay.
old DTI?
Okay.
I'm
me
using
check
it. It's
that.
pretty good. It's not
pretty good?
lagging my charts.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Nice. Did you make that?
No, I found it in a trader forum.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
good.
And it was actually built by a very reputable coding company
People,
in
okay, good.
Australia.
Good.
Oh, cool. Very nice.
Wow, this is gonna. Can you imagine if you get a $2,000 trade on this one going
Wow.
up?
Nice. Oh my gosh.
I'm already at what, 1,000 right now.
Amazing. Amazing.
Hey, Dom, I started with one MNQ on this one and added twice, and then
Yeah.
I'm just crossing 400.
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
good. Wow.
you can trade these with micros and easily pass a 50 and a 25K. Especially with these this IB strategy, going from one end to the next end. Oh. Cortez, you there? You trading this? Yeah, he's here. I see him.
Hey Dom, that IB strategy, do you have a tutorial on it or how
Yeah,
do
I have, I have a video on it.
Oh,
And
sweet.
there, I also
Awesome.
have the indicator there.
Oh, awesome. I have time to check it later. Okay.
Yeah, I saw the video. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
I didn't see that there was an indicator though. I'll check that out.
Check it. Go to what's it called? What's that? Discord. I have it all there.
Oh, okay. I haven't been there in a while. I'll start
Alright.
going in there more.
Yeah. If it gets hit to 1.5, I'm gonna end this trade for me. That's enough. I want to be consistent with my 25K. Because that 1.5 would give me at least 500. No, 700. Wow. $94, $95. Okay. Wow, 1,300. We're working ourselves.
That's an awesome trade. Wow.
And the thing is, you guys can just keep on adding contracts to this thing on the pullbacks to the yellow.
Hey, Dom, I noticed the guy in the video was saying when you mark the high and the low of that
Mhm.
period, 9:30,
Yeah.
10:30.
Right.
But then it seemed like he was saying when the following candles, 30 minutes, go towards it and get rejected
Right.
back, that's
Right.
your entry in that direction.
Right.
But are you
So-
saying like in this one that you would enter on the candle closing back in the zone?
Right.
Upward?
Right here. So let me just get my cursor here. Right here. See this candle when it reversed? We finally got down here in the opening. That's where it got down. I was telling you, you weren't here, but I was telling everyone, usually it gets down to the 1.25 or the 1.5 extension, right? It got down to 1.25. It got rejected here because of the fair value gap. So they got rejected. Now, when it comes up here now, you want to make sure that this candle, this 30-minute candle, if it closes above this IB low, it's going to continue going up. Now you'd want to enter right here at the high of that candle, not at the close, but the high. Okay, and take that and just keep on riding that all the way because it's going to test this upper level here.
You want to enter at the
Right here.
high of the candle?
Right, this
Oh,
one,
on that,
this one,
okay.
yeah, the end of this candle. That's why you want to see the close of this candle if it's closing above that IBL low, right?
Gotcha.
And that's what it did. Now, because sometimes you might get this, you get a wick, it gets rejected, but it's closed. You need to see where it closes. If it closes below this IBL low, it's going to continue going down to maybe the 1.5. And this one, you saw it close above, so it's going to continue going up. Test it up there. That's the
Nice.
goal.
Awesome.
Now, if you watch the video, I said here, you want to take a trade on the second candle, which is basically the end of the 10 o'clock candle, but the beginning of the 10:30 candle. Why? Because you see this, we had a rejection on the top here, it came down, and here is a rejection. So here's the closes right here. What it did, it went back up, came back down. There's my entry. I took that entry. But at that time, the low was only down here somewhere. So I just took a minimum, but it continued making this low, right, Safeni? In fact, if you took this trade, that's over the $200 per contract trade. If I took this and just continued coming down to the S1, that was over a $200 per contract trade, and you're trading six contracts. I was using the 50K. That's over $1,000. So here, I'm just waiting for this to hit my 1500, then I'm gonna get out. So now we're at the what is that? 0.75 deviation plus 0.75. Let's see if we're gonna test this out here. So how many minutes? We have 9 minutes left on that candle. I'll probably pull back to this chase line and go back up. Or to the mid band. No, won't stop the chase line. You know, we hit 1, 2. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. It's going down. I don't know why it's going down. It got up to the 1.75. Here, let's see, it's gonna get back up there. 800. Try and get down to the pivot point there, or what? This is just a pullback since it went up and up. This is basically just a pullback. Man, this is going, how far is this gonna be going? 5, 6.
Order filled.
I'm delayed like 2 minutes, so I don't know where the levels are here.
No, it just hit the VWAP and it's
It's
breaking
free
it.
falling, bro. It's free falling.
Is it? Okay. So it got up to the, I think that test that VWAP and come back up.
I think.
I caught that whole move, the drop from the lower
From the
high
drop? Yeah.
off the mid band.
Right.
It's sweet.
How much did you make on that one? So it's pretty good. So here now it's bouncing off the pivot point.
I made 270 bucks, but I kept adding to it on the way down. I
Right.
started with one MNQ.
Right. So there's your, that's really not a rejection. Well, the rejection is usually up here in the edge, so I don't know what it's doing here. Yeah, so let's see what happens with this bar. We have 2 minutes left on this bar. Yeah, I have a 1.6 minute delay, so I have no idea where the. We're past the VWAP, right? Think that, that's a lot, that's a
Yes.
big drop.
Yeah. It's past it.
That's one big rejection. So now it's coming back to the other side now, to the downside. Let's see.
My charts are not in sync with yours, Dom. I'm not
Oh yeah,
sure.
yeah, because I'm 2 minute delay. I got a 2
Okay.
minute delay, so I have no idea where.
Yeah, we're at 18776 right now.
Okay. Oh, well, you're way up there now, above the. Okay. You're at 89 now, like 91. Wow, it's going back up.
Yeah, we're at 91 now.
Wow, that's way up there. $94, $95. Wow. So it is going back up. Six. Just plotting where this is.
Dom, these fib levels on this fib indicator, they're pretty solid.
Order filled.
Oh, they are?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's been bouncing. It's definitely respecting them. And it's actually not a true fib levels. The guy said that the coder made it to where it's like some kind of enhanced fib levels that adjust with the market structure and stuff.
Right.
So it's pretty cool. Check it out when you get a chance.
Okay. $94. Okay.
$188.10 now, in case you didn't know.
188.10. Okay.
Order submitted.
Oops. Oh, where are we now? We're past 20. Yeah, we are. Okay. 26. I'll just ride with these 3 contracts. That's fine. $86.27. 27. $35.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
$24.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, good. $59.
188.50.
Yep.
60.
Yeah, I see it. My dome is correct. My chart is off.
Oh, okay.
So I'm watching my dome. 62.76. Okay. 62, 66. Okay, good. I want to get this up to 1,000, then I'll be done. 85. 67. 76. Wow. 82. Wow, it's gonna hit that high up there, huh? 87. We have some, we have a, you can see, we have a, what's that called? Value area up there. We're at 79. Yeah, we're hitting the value area. Let's see if it goes right through it. 80.
Yeah, it's almost at that opening range high.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It went from the low of the range
Yeah. All the way up
to
to
the high. You could just trade that. It's
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You know, it's
24.
if hindsight, right? I mean, we just enter a trade and walk away at the low and the high.
Yeah.
yeah. Even if you enter from the low and just take profit at the middle of it.
Yeah.
Hey, Dom, you're not trailing that?
I don't know where to trail. I'm like my chart is like 2.7 minutes off.
Oh, okay, okay,
So I have no data with, I'm just looking at where my dome is right now.
okay.
So it's at 72. Okay, I'm gonna put a trail camera. Let me
Can
just-
you trail on the dome, the dome? Dome?
You
think
can,
you-
but I don't know, I might just can't close my trade out. Let me see here. So I am basing it on the dome right now. It's around 71, 72. So you're up there. So
That's
I'm
probably
gonna
a good
trail
place
this.
to close.
Yeah, because it's trying to hit that, it's trying to get through that fair value gap.
Yeah, we've had 3 30-minute green candles, so
Let me see. I think they still have enough room to, they're at 69. Let me see here. 71. Oh, here we go. 69. If I get down to maybe 500, I'm gonna close it out. Yeah, we're getting close to there. It's 600 right now. It's still climbing. 574, 78. Yeah, they're still making 600. Let's see if they can push this. Six.
Hey, you know, it's much more fun hanging out with you guys trading than actually doing my work.
yeah, this makes trading a lot
Stress
get
free.
other yes, especially with micros.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Teeny, I saw 3,500 with micros. Is that
Yeah.
that was you?
Yeah, that was micros.
There's nothing micro about 3,500 bucks, man. Wow, congrats, man.
Yeah, that's
I was
awesome,
just
man.
I was just
Good job.
following coach's moves there.
Yeah, man, he got him.
Here we go. Let me see here.
Order filled.
Good shot, man. Good shot.
Okay, so I'm break even with that. I'm gonna continue, once this, I got a 4-minute delay. That's why I just had, at least I'm close to break even on that one.
Yeah, that's why I kind of asked. I said, okay, why is he not trailing this thing?
I can't see it.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
just,
I didn't
I'm
know
just,
that.
yeah, I'm just
Got your
going by
back,
what,
though.
yeah,
Got your back,
I'm
man.
looking at the dome. And I'm
Okay.
looking at if it's going past that 500. So there. Yeah, I should have just stopped it at that fair value gap. It just went short of that high. How far did it go, actually?
Hey, Dom, this
Yeah.
candle, this 30-minute candle is rejecting the
Yeah.
high of the opening range. So wouldn't
Oh,
you
okay.
say, wouldn't
So-
you say that would be a candidate
Right. Now you wanna see where this closes. You have what, 19 minutes? If it gets rejected there, it depends on where that closes.
Well, I mean,
If
yeah.
if it gets, if it closes below that, then it's gonna come back down. I mean, trust down to the other side,
Yep.
that's what it's gonna do. That's why I like about these 30-minute candles. Once you see that get rejected there, watch for the next one where it's gonna start coming down.
Yeah, I made a mistake and passed my eval on this one. But I was just using it, you know, I was testing all these different stuff out.
Oh, okay, okay. So that's a good thing you passed.
Yeah, it's good, and yeah. Yeah, that's good. That was my first one.
Good.
KTC first one, yeah.
So like I said, this one, this strategy is very solid.
Yeah, man, I'm liking it. I don't know who came up with it, but boy, this thing works.
Especially with micros, if you can make what Safety make 3,000. Wow.
That's ridiculous.
Like you said,
he
like
gonna
you
put
said-
he gonna put extra cheese on his Whopper with that. Man, it feels good, man. Looks good. And that added value right there with that IB thing, that's just
Yeah. Yeah.
deep.
The guy who's trading this, he's already trading the Top Step gave him a live account. So when Top Step does that, you're making consistent money if that's the
Yeah.
case.
And they want him. If they doing that, they
Mhm.
want. Because I've
Yeah.
seen some Top Step guys, they out there with some 45 revolvers just slinging bullets.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
One of
so if you're giving a live account, you must be doing something
Yeah,
serious.
yeah. You're going live.
Yeah.
They trust him. He's a straight up guy, man. Sounds legit, like the way it sounds.
Mhm.
Hey, Dom, did you also make a tutorial on that? How to trade that, or just the one video from that guy that you were
No,
mentioning?
I made my own.
Okay.
It's up there on the Discord,
Okay. Thanks.
along with the chart template for this. You may have to add the pivots here. I might have to add this. So I might save this again to templates, save as. And I have this as 30-minute chart right here, strat. Save. Now this includes the pivot levels. That's about it. You got rejected up there? Is that what it is? Because I can't really, yeah, I must have got rejected. So now let's see what happens here in the 16. We got 16 minutes left here. We got a rejection there. In fact, we got rejected here at the what? At the again, the fair value gap. Well, you got 16 minutes. You may try to test that up with there again. I don't know why I have such a delay, 3.9. I wonder what's going on, what's causing the delay. I might have to take off some charts. You guys are getting delay on the old Renko by any chance?
I'm still using the Ninja Renko.
Okay. Anyone using old Renko?
Yeah, and I'm still using Ninja Renko.
Wow. So I might have to change the Ninja. Maybe that's the old Renko is causing the delay.
Yeah.
You're using a 20/4?
Yeah, I'm using the same one, 20/4.
Okay, okay.
I've been using the 30 just because the 20 is a little fast for me.
All right, so you have 30?
Yeah, 34. 30/4.
Yeah. Because you can go by 5, like that's 20/4, right? So that's a factor of 5, right? So if you're gonna use 30, you might want to look at 30/6. Try that.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Let me try that. Maybe that may eliminate all this delay. Let me see here.
Hey, Dom,
Yeah. Who's that?
I'm on Orenco. I got like a 4 second delay. I mean, a 0.04 second delay.
Oh, okay, that ain't bad. Let me see if I switch this to, if my delay will be knocked out. Data series.
It's
So I'm
coming
gonna-
up on the high again right now.
Yeah, gonna test it. You have a lot of time. You have like 14 minutes left. So data series here, let me try this, change it to maybe Ninja Renko 30/6. Yeah, this looks. I like it.
Yeah, I've been liking the 30 myself.
Yeah, switch to the bottom to the 6.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Check it out.
Let me switch this over too. See, it's gonna eliminate my thing, 30/6. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on trading this one so I can get at least maybe 300 out of this account. So here, 30/6. Yeah, it's decreasing my delay. So that could have been it.
Hey Dom, you know what would be cool for your IB strat chart is that counter in the bottom right corner. Ninja has a really cool counting down per candle, just
Oh.
so you can see it.
Yeah,
And you can change the font size on it, and it has also a bar that keeps getting smaller as it gets closer to the end of the candle.
is it free?
Yeah,
You
it's
have it?
free.
Can you share it?
I don't know if I'll gladly send it. I don't know if it would work because I don't know if the free indicators from Ninja work when you give them. Does it work like that, or do you have to download it?
No,
I didn't have
no.
to I didn't have to put in a code or anything.
right. No, you can share it freely if that's the case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give it to you.
Thanks.
Hmm.
Ninja Ranko actually has a indicator for this for the IB, but you had to pay for it. This one I got for free. It's the same people who made these fair value gaps, which I like. I really like this this indicator. Yeah, see, eliminated all my. I'm back to normal again. That's it.
Hey, that's how we learn, right? It's trial and error with
Yeah,
testing
exactly.
our new toys.
Yeah. So that Orenco was causing delay. Okay, that's cool. So we're at 90. Yeah, it's gonna try to test that level. So if you carry this trade all the way up to that level there, you guys made good money. Just a few ticks away from there. Now, if this breaks out, if this closes above there, how many minutes we have? We got 9 minutes. If it closes above there, you may start looking at this one, the 1.25 extension. Depends on when on this candle where it closes. You got 9 minutes left. If it gets rejected here, then they make it start coming down. Man, can you imagine that trade if you just, okay, let me see here. So you took this trade like right here, right? And took this all the way to the top there. That's a $398 trade on one contract. Here's a rejection. Let's see if it's a rejection right here.
Did you switch back to Ninja Ringo?
Yeah. This is 20 by, but this is 20 by, 30 by, 6. What do you have yours on? Cortez,
24.
okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see the difference because sometimes the 24 goes fast. Between the 36 and the 34.
Order filled.
See, it doesn't get that up to that 1.25. The way this is pushing. Oh, we got 1 minute left. Let's see if this bar, the 30-minute bar, closes above this high. If it goes above that high, we're definitely getting into the 1.25. So we got a minute and a half left. Let's see what happens. If it goes below, then there's gonna be a tendency it's gonna start coming down.
Hey, Dom, I just gave you those two indicators. I realized I never sent you the fib indicator.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
I was wondering why you never responded.
Yeah, I never got it. I never got
I
anything.
put it in the Telegram,
Okay.
our chat.
Okay, thanks. I'll look at it. So let's see what happens to this 30-minute candle. It's trying to push it above, so let's see if it does finish and close above. Oh, there it's really pushing it. We have less than 1 minute. If it finishes above there, you're gonna be looking at at least the 1.25 extension. See, they can just push it up there so it can remain above. 30 seconds. Can they maintain it?
I just switched over to 30 and 4. I can live with that.
Yeah. 2 seconds. Yes, they finished above. So you'll see this now pushing up. Target is around 1.25. Unless it gets snagged up here by the pivot. That'd be a pretty good trade and get another one up there. Yeah, there it is, 1.25. Let's see if it's gonna make it. Yeah, this 30 by 6 actually is pretty good also. It doesn't wreck anything. It still does your black waste still. So here let's see if he's gonna break that high of the day, create another new high of the day here.
You at 35 or 36?
36, because it was at 24, so you make a factor of 5, right? So you had 20 over 4. So now,
Hey, cut it with the math, bro.
Yeah, I've been using the 30 for like 2 weeks, and it seems to be much more smoother. It takes a lot of noise out.
right. There we are. Come on, let's go. You got past that that resistance too. That'd be good.
Okay, what was that, bro? That was you called that. What was
Hmm?
that?
What was that?
You called that.
Which one?
I loaded the boat on that call you just did.
What call?
Yeah, Lee, that was nice. A little break above that high right there.
Yeah.
That was nice.
So let's see if they can bounce off here.
Okay.
Good trading today, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good
Good.
one.
You had a good one, man. 3,000
All
passing
right,
an
so
evaluation.
yeah, man.
How many evaluations you passed? One?
Yeah, that was one evaluation passed.
Okay, good.
Two and what was a okay, 3,000. Okay. 2,000. It was a 3,000 thing.
Yes.
Was it 50K?
Cool.
Was it 50K?
It was the
Yeah,
it was the
50K.
Lilu. It was the
Ah.
Lilu 100.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job. See you guys.
No, thank you. You good job on your calls.
Oh, no problem. I just call him and see him. Just I had the video there, so if you want to watch how the setup is, go ahead and watch it. Okay.
Alrighty. Thanks.
Yep. See you. See you tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish this trade out. Let's see, it's gonna bounce off here, the mid band. It's bouncing off that high level. So that, which is good. So let's see. This is really the pullback. Let's see if it's gonna get up to at least the R2. So here, let's see if they close this. Again, this is another 30-minute candle. So let's see. Hopefully they just continue going up. Let's see.
Stub filled.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end this. You guys did pretty good. So Cortez, you got a evaluation pass. It's probably gonna test this 1.25 up here. Just bounced off the high range here, so I don't know why I got out of my trade, but at least this profit. I don't have to get back into this trade again. Everyone's asleep.
I'm still here. I just
Okay.
got out of that thing too, and then
Okay.
it turned.
Coach. Great trading. Great trading
Yeah.
for you.
Oh,
I'm
Karen,
proud
you
of
do
her.
you,
You're
you
riding
did
her up.
Stub filled.
you took those
Yes,
trades?
coach.
Yeah.
I'm super dark green. I didn't participate in this whole run. I just took it from S2 all the way up to S1.
Okay,
But
okay,
I was using NQ, so
okay, yeah.
multiple.
So that's a pretty good trade then. NQ, wow.
Yeah, coach. Opo. I'm eligible for 4 payouts now
Wow.
on the 15th
Holy cow!
Wow.
for scaling up. Not just
Wow.
1 or 2 now.
Nice.
25K coach, and also with the 25K. So I will
Nice.
be filing 2 25K payouts on the 15th.
Nice. Nice.
Mhm.
Leia, how'd you do?
I'm already done trading in the market open, so
Okay. Yeah, just get used to this IB. It's actually really powerful.
Yes, coach. I'm definitely gonna take a look. I love it. I love
Yeah.
this entire run.
Yep. Especially if you're doing MNQ. Look, what's his name? Stefani made 3,000 on just MNQ.
yeah, I saw that.
Correct.
Yeah.
So we are so
Correct.
quiet here. I just imported the charts and I'm looking
Okay. Okay.
at it right now.
Watch the video that I made. Okay.
Apo.
Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, coach. Bye-bye pa.
See ya.
Bye-bye,
Okay, see you.
traders.
Yep,
Bye,
thank you.
everybody.
Thank you,
Karen,
Alan, for the.
Leah.
I'll
All right,
check out
guys.
those.
Take it
Check
easy.
out those indicators you sent me, Alan. Okay.
All good.
Thanks
See-
a lot.
Talk to you later.
Yep.
All right, guys.
Bye-bye.
Later.
Hi, Coach.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, Coach, I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. Just
Okay.
I'm up 450,
Nice.
which is good, which is
Nice.
good today.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to figure out Bullinok's kind of strange on the. I don't know if I'm. It seems like I'm being charged a lot on not penalties,
Commission?
commissions.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, you should
I
be check. Well, let me check your thing here. Let me check.
and
Let me
I'm
check on your thing.
it's like Marco got surprised. He said, "How many transactions did you have today?" 116.
Well, I gotta see why you're getting 116.
Maybe it just has to be, yeah. But I've had some. I was telling Marco, I've had some.
Well, you need to print out your trade performance. That's where I'm
Yeah.
gonna actually see.
Yeah, I've had some transactions today, where I scaled up, okay, and
Right.
then when it and it hit, okay, it hit the target profit, and then it was negative 63, and I was saying, how do you become negative 63, right?
Yeah.
From it was up about 250, 300.
Hmm.
So that
Yeah.
happened something like twice. I don't know, you know. Anyway,
Yeah, I
Marco
got
ran
you.
into a
Right.
glitch also with something that similar to what happened to you today. Anyway,
Oh,
yeah.
you mean there was like a delay?
No, not a delay. It was like he put an order and it hit, okay, but it just went right straight through it. So it
Ah,
wasn't.
yeah, because sometimes
Yeah.
that does happen because the thing is sometimes it goes so fast that it won't
Okay,
it won't
okay.
fill your
Yeah.
order. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, maybe tomorrow I can ask your help just to,
Yeah.
because
Okay,
yeah,
I would need to look at your trade performance. That's why.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
maybe. Okay,
Okay.
because I'm like grasping at straws here. What happened? I thought I had 450.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll look at that tomorrow. Okay.
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 Thanks.
Yep. Good night.
Okay, bro.
Yep.
Okay.
Good night, bro.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.